on the list is Honorable Marcos Mabay, Nunungan Municipality.
And my fellow public officials, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. So I will speak on behalf of my area of responsibility, the municipality of Nunungan, Lanao del Norte. So actually we are here to convey our stand on the said proposed Bangsamoro Basic Law. So I believe that nothing is imperative than the implementation of what is provided for in the Constitution. And public consultation is more often than not an appreciable one. This is what I would like to emphasize. This is what I would like to publicly announce, that my mandate and my governance in Nunungan is consultative in nature. So, I am in my present position because of the strong push of my constituents to enter into politics, as they believe that doing so is a genuine strategy in turning Nunungan from nothing to everything. So with this, I entrust everything, the decision, to the people in Nunungan, in executing mandate under the bounds of law. So being as a local chief executive, I can only carry the voice of the people in Nunungan, which means the conduct of plebiscite of the said proposed Bangsamoro Basic Law must be done first to hear the voice of the people. So with this, Madam Chair, we are calling upon the Congress, both the Senate and the House of Representatives, to urge the conduct of plebiscite of the said proposed Bangsamoro Basic Law for better understanding and comprehension of the said matter. We are unelected officials. We are elected by the people, and we are the product of the voice of the people. So let the people decide. Thank you so much.